Hi SCE, another week of math fun with Miss Thomas. This week I'm going to give you clues using place value for a mystery word. As a reminder, starting with our smallest place value, on the right side we have our ones place, tens, hundreds, and thousands. You'll need to remember these for our game. You might need to pause the video to get a piece of paper and a pencil. That's all you'll need for our game. First, we're going to do an example together. This word only has 3 letters, so you will need 3 lines. Remember, our smallest place value on the right is our ones place, then our tens place, finally our hundreds place. Your first clue is there is a letter G in the ones place. Next, we have the letter D in the hundreds place. Finally, we have the letter O in the tens place. I wonder how many of you have a dog at home. Here's our first one to do on our own. This one has 4 letters. So we have our ones, tens, hundreds, and our thousands. For this word, your first clue is there's a letter U in the tens place. Next, we have the letter B in the thousands place. We have a letter E in the ones place. And finally, we have the letter L in the hundreds place. I wonder how many people have this favorite color. Okay, our next word still has 4 letters. The first clue is there is a letter T in the hundreds place. Next, we have the letter R in the ones place. The letter S is in the thousands place. And last but not least, we have the letter A in the tens place. Here's a clue to your word. This is something you see at night in the sky. Our place value chart is getting bigger. We have the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place, the thousands place, our 10,000s place, 100,000s place, millions, 10 million, 100 million, and finally, billion. For this word, you will need 9 letters. Your first clue is there's a letter R in the thousands place. Next, we have the letter B in the 100 millions place. Next, we have the letter Y in the ones place. Next, we have 2 letter T's that are in the 100,000s place and the 1 million place. The letter L is in the tens place. The letter E is in the 10,000s place. We have the letter F in the hundreds place. And I bet you can guess the last letter is the letter U in the 10 millions place. You might see this flying around gardens in the spring. Our place value chart keeps getting bigger. Now we have decimals, tenths, and hundredths. Here's our last word of the day. Make sure you have 6 spaces, including 2 decimals. First, you're going to put the letter D in the ones place. We have a letter W in the thousands place. The letter E is in the tenths place. The letter O is in the hundreds place. The letter N is in the tens place. And finally, we have the letter R in the hundreds place. I wonder who got all of the words that we wrote out today. All right, SCE, I hope you had fun with our mystery words and our place value knowledge today. I miss you, and I hope you're staying safe at home.